Titan vehicle tractor. All vehicle rust removal and sandblasting. Repaint. This is the standard of our Titans. Shock absorption. Oil filter. Battery gas cylinder. New battery, new gas cylinder. All of them are replaced with new ones. Tires of Titan. Each of its steel plates has been overhauled. Remove it all and reassemble it. The axle is our standard. All of them are disassembled, all overhauled, including the rubber sleeve inside. It has been replaced. The standard of our Titan is to remove and replace all accessories. The brake valve is also new. The brake valve is replaced with a new one. All the pull-dry rubber sleeves inside. All removed for maintenance and replacement. Adjusting arm. Dust cover. The axle has been repaired and the fuel has been filled. After the maintenance, the oil is added. We replaced each glue pile with a new one. All replaced with new ones. Fuel tank, 450 plus fuel tank. So is the silencer. The muffler is also replaced with a new one. This isn't finished yet. The brackets for the whole vehicle are new. This steering machine is also imported. Then the air conditioner in front, intercooling, water tank, everything is brand new. For the cab, use our original cab. Original cab polished to spray paint, then replace it all with a new one. To wipers. Those things in front of the clutch are replaced with new ones.